In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method on Airbnb. To get started, open the Airbnb app on your phone or go to the Airbnb website in your browser. Once you're there, sign into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you have more than one login or if someone else has used your device before. After you're signed in, go to your account section. This is where Airbnb keeps your personal settings, payment options, and account preferences. On mobile, this may appear in your profile or menu area, while on desktop it's usually easy to find from your account icon. From the account area, select Payments and Payouts. This section is where you can manage how you pay for bookings and in some cases how you receive money if you're also hosting. Since we're focused on adding a payment option, the next thing you'll want to open is Payment Methods. Once you're in Payment Methods, tap or click Add Payment Method. Airbnb will then show you the payment options available for your account and region. Depending on where you live, you may see choices such as a credit card, debit card, PayPal, or other supported payment types. Choose the one you want to use. Next, enter your payment details carefully. This usually includes the card number or account information, along with any required billing details. Take your time here, because even a small typo can cause the payment method to be rejected or create issues later when you try to book a stay. Before saving anything, review all of the information you entered. Double check that the payment details and billing information are correct and up to date. This is an important step because accurate information helps avoid payment errors and makes checkout smoother when you're ready to reserve a place. When everything looks right, tap or click Save. Your new payment method should then be added to your Airbnb account and available for future bookings. As a quick tip, if you don't see the payment option you want, it may simply not be supported in your country or on your device at that moment. Also, if Airbnb asks for verification, just follow the prompts on screen to complete the setup securely. And that's all it takes to add a payment method on Airbnb. Once it's saved, you'll be one step closer to booking your next stay quickly and easily.